Dumarami na ang paraan ng pagkakakitaan ngayon. Di lamang sa trabaho, pagnenegosyo, maging ang pag-i-invest sa stock market ay kabilang na rin sa mga paraan para magkaroon ng karagdagang kita. Kung paano ito alamin sa report ni Diane Querer.
Kung ikaw ay may ekstrang pera at nais mong magkaroon ng ekstrang kita, bakit hindi mo subukan na mag-invest sa stock market? Iniisip ng ilan na ang stock market ay para lamang sa mayayaman, dyan kayo nagkakamali. Dahil ayon kay Ramon Monzon, ang President and CEO ng Philippine Stock Exchange o PSE, sa kaunting halaga ay pwede ka nang mag-invest sa stock market.
The truth of the matter is, with a amount as low as 5,000, you can open an account with any stockbroker and, invest your money in stocks or in mutual funds.
Pero kung ikaw ay baguhan sa stock market, ang payo ni Monzon ay subukan ang mutual funds.
Mutual funds are funds managed by professionals. So they are the ones who do the selection of the stocks. My advice to small investors is don't get intimidated by the stock exchange if you don't know how to invest, because you can go to a mutual fund company.
Paalala lang ng PSE sa mga potential investors,
It's like savings, okay? It's not something that you put and then you want to withdraw after 3 days or 5 days. It's a long-term proposition. When you invest, you leave your money there. And for sure, if it's a long-term investment, you're going to realize very big returns.